What is going on, guys? I introduced to you Freedom Ordnance AR-15 FX9. It's not new in the market, it's new to me. FX9 has an 8.25 inch barrel chambered in 9mm, has a brace on it. There it is, guys. It's beautiful. Look at the muzzle. Looks like a silencer. It brings a 32 round. It was actually supposed to be a 33. It's a clear one from ETS, which I don't like too much. This is not a suppressor. You can unscrew this and put a suppressor though. It does have the threaded barrel. The trigger, it's a little hard, but it's short. That's the reset. It's not bad. The trigger doesn't look bad at all. Hard, but it doesn't take much to pull. So I say about 3 pounds. It has a safety switch and fire button, just like the AR-15. The bottom is compatible with any AR-15 pistol grip and all that. The brace is not adjustable from what I can see. There is a screw here. May be able to adjust it. But there you guys have it. I gotta put a red dot or some pop-up sights. It has the slide stop and release button on the left side and the mag release on the right only. Put the mag in. Goes in nice and tight. It's beautiful. It's pretty short, so you have to duck down pretty good to be able to see your sights whenever you put sights on it, because it does not come with sights. Now, you guys ready for the best part? This FX9 fits any Glock 17, 19, 19X magazine.
Oh yeah!
And if you want to buy a drum that's for the Glock 17, it'll fit there, or for Glock 19, it'll fit nice and tight. It clicks in, it releases perfectly. That's what's so good about this. So if you want to go with a shorter magazine, that's I think this was 17. Then you can do that. The one that it comes with is a 32 round or 33. They gave me a 32. Beautiful. So I am gonna put a red dot that I have, and I will see you guys later on another video where I am gonna shoot this one. And I have to shoot the 22 long rifle AR-15 that I have that I still haven't shot yet. I haven't had a chance to, but I did want to give you guys a new unboxing video of this FX9. Like everything else, it brings a lock, a manual, the warranty paperwork, but that's it. It comes in a cardboard box, which kind of sucks. If you're looking for a compact AR-15 that's chambered in 9mm, the FX9 is your guy. It's not too heavy, mostly the muzzle, the cage in front that's heavy, and obviously the Picatinny rail adds weight to it. Other than that, it's not bad at all because it's a short AR-15. It's easy to handle and to maneuver if you have to. Take care, guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video with any of your friends. Thank you.